use a trim tool or a screwdriver, but I like to use the trim tool. That way I can just go like that. So that's what that tag does. That pin goes down in. If you have a clip like this, I use this kind of body tool, and then you just grab both sides, squeeze, and you can pull the tag right up. Pull that one out. Come over here, do the same. And we got to get a Phillips screwdriver. Do the same on the other side. We're going to remove all 8 bolts in the front end here. Goes straight across, 10mm socket. And our last 8th tab is broken. Now with a flathead screwdriver, we're going to take this tab and just move it. It's like it's got a tab on the other side, but then you're going to take your plastic flare, move that out, the bolt right there, 10mm socket. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So now we're going to grab our bumper cover right inside here, keeping a hand up here to hold on to it firmly, and we're going to pull like that. And then you're going to follow it all the way around. Disconnect the other side the same way. Come in the front, grab your bumper cover, and we're going to have to undo the fog light connectors. So that is pushing down on this tab and pulling it out. There we go. There's one, and the other one's on the other side. Now with your bumper cover off, I like to lay a blanket down to protect the paint. And I'm going to lay it face down so I have access to the items I need. Now to access it, we're going to take a 10mm socket, take all 4 of these mounting bolts off. Now with the flathead screwdriver, you've got to remove these actual bolt tabs. So these little metal tabs got to come up and out. You have to reuse them, so as hard as it can be, just be as agile. Now you can lift it right up. So you have to take all 12 of these holding screws for the chrome trim. Little Phillips screwdriver. So now you've got these locking tabs. Just take a flathead screwdriver with the chrome piece loose. Hopefully we can just pop these off. And there's your chrome piece. So now we have to take off the old rubber seal on the top of the grill piece. These tabs just pull through. I found this to be the fastest, easiest way. You don't want to break them, but you just gotta squeeze it tight in there and then see if you can pop it off. So make sure you get your grill facing the right way. We're going to put the emblem back on the new grill piece. Just push it in, line the tabs up, locks in. So now you have the black trim instead of the chrome trim, with just the chrome emblem. So you have 12 screws on the new grill that if you wanted to, you could transfer over the chrome piece and delete the black trim. So now you get the seal, you're going to transport it to the new grill and put your 6 clips on. Put the last pin in, and now we're ready to install. So you're going to line up the 4 tabs and the center lining tab up with these slots. Just slide it right through, and then it's going to snap right in. Make sure you snap it in all the way around. Now you can put these metal tabs in. Make sure you put the threaded part facing up. Just push them down in place. And then now install the 4 mounting screws. So now we're going to reinstall the bumper cover. Hook up the driver's side fog light. Hook up the passenger side. Okay. I'm going to lift it up. There we go. So we got to get these plastic tabs to line up. And then you just take your hand and right all the way over to the passenger side. So now we're going to put the center one back in. So you just push down, let it lock in, go to the other side, do the same. And we have that rubber one, that goes right in the center. Then you have the two adjusters that go out on the edge. Now we can install the upper decorative cover and start from this side and you can work your way over with the pins. So I'm going to put my two push pins like this, one there and then one here, and then I'll put the rest of my pins in all the way around. Now we're going to put both screws that go in the fender well up. So you're going to put the fender skirt in, see how the line is, make sure it goes under the actual bumper cover. And this goes, if you want to, let out, put this in just like this. There we go. So now these tabs have to go up underneath the bumper cover. So just fold them, go all the way across, and now we can put our bolts back in.